Welcome to Tech Trek TV, your trusted source for the latest in technology, innovation, and digital disruption. If you're passionate about staying ahead of the curve or simply curious about what the future holds, you're in the right place. As we step into the heart of 2025, we're witnessing groundbreaking shifts in the world of tech. Some subtle, others revolutionary. All of which promise to reshape how we live, work, and interact with the world around us. In today's feature, we're diving deep into the top 5 tech trends in 2025 you need to know right now. These aren't just buzzwords or fleeting innovations, they're game changers. From AI evolution to quantum leaps in computing, these trends are already setting the tone for the digital decade ahead. So buckle up and join us on this thrilling ride into the near future. 1. Generative AI goes mainstream. You've heard of ChatGPT, Midjourney, and Sora, but in 2025, generative AI isn't just a cool tool for creatives and coders anymore. It's becoming embedded in everyday life, from workspaces and classrooms to healthcare and home automation. Generative AI has, evolved from simple text and image creation to multimodal content generation. That means it can now simultaneously understand and produce text, images, video, audio, and even 3D models. This year, we're seeing real-time AI collaborators popping up in video production, software development, product design, and even legal assistance. Businesses are using AI to create training materials, marketing assets, product mock-ups, and customer service bots that, honestly, feel shockingly human. The line between human and machine-generated content is really starting to blur, raising some exciting possibilities and, of course, some important ethical questions too. AI personal assistants are now, ultra-customizable and proactive. They're learning from your habits and helping you manage your day kind of like a real executive assistant would. AI video creation tools like OpenAI's Sora are making it possible for small businesses and solo creators to produce Hollywood-style content in just minutes. And ethical AI frameworks are quickly becoming mandatory for enterprise-level deployment, aiming to reduce biases, misinformation, and, deepfake misuse. Whether you're a student, a content creator, or a business owner, understanding and using generative AI can save you time, boost productivity, and give you a competitive edge. Long considered science fiction or a far-off dream, quantum computing is starting to move from theory into reality in 2025. While we're still far from having quantum chips in our smartphones, we're seeing major strides in using quantum computers to solve real-world problems. Quantum computers don't work like traditional computers. They process information using qubits, which can exist in multiple states simultaneously, allowing for complex problem-solving at unprecedented speeds. This could revolutionize fields like medicine, cryptography, finance, and logistics. So, let's talk about some key developments in the year 2025. Pharmaceutical companies are really stepping up their game by using quantum simulations to speed up drug discovery. They're also modeling how proteins fold, which used to be, a pretty time-consuming task. Over in the financial sector, institutions are beginning to use quantum algorithms to detect fraud and predict market behavior with, greater accuracy. And let's not forget about security. Post-quantum encryption is becoming a necessity because, honestly, current encryption standards might just become obsolete once quantum computing goes mainstream. Now moving on to quantum tech becoming accessible to everyone. Big players like IBM and Google, along with startups like IonQ, are really making a difference here. They're offering quantum technology through cloud-based platforms. This gives researchers and developers a chance to experiment without needing those, million-dollar machines. It's pretty exciting stuff. And now, let's dive into the rise of spatial computing and Metaverse 2.0. While the Metaverse buzz kind of cooled off after the initial hype, 2025 marks the beginning of Metaverse 2.0. It's more refined, useful, and immersive as a digital universe. This new era, fueled by spatial computing, merges physical and digital worlds more seamlessly than ever before. It's really something to look forward to. So, why does spatial computing really matter? Basically, it brings together augmented reality, virtual reality, and real-world sensors to let us interact with digital content in three-dimensional space. The result? Well, it's immersive experiences that are no longer just for gamers anymore. Looking ahead to 2025, we're seeing some big trends. Apple Vision Pro 2 and Meta's new lightweight AR glasses are becoming more affordable and user-friendly, which is making mixed reality way more accessible for everyone. Virtual offices powered by AR and VR are actually starting to replace Zoom calls, with holographic meetings and collaborative virtual workspaces getting really popular. Education and training are also being transformed. Simulations in medical, aviation, and engineering fields are giving people hands-on practice in safe virtual environments. Oh, and even shopping has gone totally 3D. You can try on clothes, customize products, or explore a car's interior, all from your headset or smart glasses. Now, when it comes to green tech and the race to net zero, sustainability isn't just an afterthought anymore. It's actually a central theme in tech development for 2025. With climate concerns on the rise, green technology is booming, from energy-efficient devices to AI-driven climate modeling and even smart agriculture. It's a pretty exciting shift toward a more sustainable future. So, why does green tech really matter? Well, tech companies and governments alike are prioritizing carbon-neutral innovation these days. Devices are becoming more sustainable, software is being optimized for energy efficiency, and honestly, entire industries are being reimagined through a green lens. Looking ahead to 2025, there are some exciting changes in green tech. Battery breakthroughs are leading to electric vehicles with over 1,000-kilometer ranges and ultra-fast charging capabilities. Plus, smart grids powered by AI and IoT are optimizing energy distribution and consumption in cities and homes. And, vertical farming and precision agriculture are reducing food waste and land use, all while feeding growing urban populations. Green tech isn't just good for the planet, it's actually good business too. Investors are backing clean tech startups more than ever before, and consumers are demanding eco-conscious products across all sectors. So, in 2025, everything is, tailored to you. From the news you read and the clothes you buy to your medical treatments and even your learning path, hyper-personalization is really becoming the default. And honestly, it's all thanks to advanced data analytics, AI, and real-time user feedback. People just don't want generic experiences anymore. They expect brands, platforms, and services to understand them, anticipate their needs, and deliver curated experiences. Here's how it's being used in 2025. In healthcare, there's personalized medicine based on genetic profiles, lifestyle, and predictive diagnostics. In education, AI tutors and adaptive learning platforms adjust content and pace based on student performance, and in retail you've got virtual stylists, AI-generated product recommendations, and even subscription boxes that seem to know your tastes better than you do. But, with great data comes great responsibility. Privacy concerns are growing, and, companies are under pressure to be transparent about how they collect, store, and use personal information. As we've explored today, 2025 is not just another step in the tech timeline, it's a leap. We're witnessing the convergence of advanced AI, quantum computing, immersive reality, sustainable innovation, and data-driven personalization. These aren't isolated trends, they're interconnected forces shaping the future of every industry and aspect of our daily lives. So what does this mean for you? If you're a student, learn how to harness generative AI tools. If you're a professional, explore how quantum or spatial computing could impact your field. If you're a business owner, adopt sustainable tech solutions and hyper-personalized customer experiences. If you're a tech enthusiast, stay curious and keep experimenting. The future is being built by people like you. Here at Tech Trek TV, our mission is to keep you informed, inspired, and ready for what's next. Whether you're a casual viewer or a die-hard techie, you now know the top 5 tech trends in 2025 you need to know right now. Stay tuned, stay smart, and as always, keep trekking forward.